I let it fall, my heart, and does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark, and I was over until I wanna be in your life until the night is over.
Hi loves, welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dara and I'm here to give you idea on how you can style your hair wrap to get that classy look. Most of us might have been on old cornrows, old braids that we will want to use it to step out. So I'm just going to be giving a tutorial on here on how you can use your hair wrap to just get a little, kind of style around your head with a little bun, with a low bun behind. Okay, this is easy. This is quite easy and simple for you to get along, for you to just, you could just stand up from your bed in the morning and you could be in a hurry and you just get into this head wrap, get this scarf and just do something on your head. So right now, let's get into the video. Even if you don't have any hair like mine, no need to worry, because you can also give yourself that same effect you want. Now, assuming you are on cornrows, all you have to do is like get a wig cap. Okay, get a wig cap and then probably a head tie like this also, or a smaller one, depends on the kind of bun you want at the back. So once you wear the wig cap, just put this head tie under and then it gives you an effect like of my head. The same way my hair is here, that's the same way the head tie is going to be under the wig cap. But since I have hair already, I'm not going to be using all of those stuffs. So right now, this is the hair tie I'm going to be using. So first of all, what you have to do is you can get a lengthy scarf like this one, because this is quite lengthy. Okay, now next step, fold this scarf into two parts, not into equal parts, but just fold the front parts, the part of being in the front part of your head this way, and then you get this kind of thing. This is the way your scarf should be looking. Okay, so next off, since our hair is already prepared, we just take the scarf over our head like this.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I say.
Hold the two sides and take it behind your hair and give it a little knot behind. Now you really want to secure that knot at the back. You tie it well so it will be, tight on your hair. Why we do not fold this scarf into two equal parts is so that the other part of this scarf, the other end of this scarf, can cover your hair behind, so you won't so you won't have your hair showing at your back at the end of this scarf. But if you want your hair to show at the back, that is fine, but I can also show you how you can get that effect after this style now I want to do. So after you've made sure that the scarf covered the back of your hair, you then have these two ends here. So what you will do is just twist this end, give it a turn. Okay, you also do the same thing to these other parts of the scarf.
Stamp on it in a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
So when you're done with that, you have to cross this other end over the bun you have created behind and cross the other end this way. So this is what you'll be getting at the back of your head. Then you give this a secured end, you knot the ties behind.
Then call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on it.
So the excesses, you can just roll it and fold it, and tuck it in under the scarf.
Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho. So
this is what we have. Okay, your basic head wrap with a little bun.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel my...
Now to get the effect of your hair coming out, what you have to do is, initially you didn't fold this scarf into two, but now to get your, probably you braided your hair and you want the end part to be showing, so you just have to fold this scarf now into two equal parts. So this is the size you're going to be working with. Make sure it is into two equal parts like this. Okay, then you take it over your head as usual. Now secure the ends by tying a knot behind you. This is what we're going to get. So since you want your braid or whatever to come at the back, just bring out your hair behind this way, and just make sure that your scarf is on top of your braids. Okay, your scarf is on top of your hair like this. Now we have our hair at our back. We also need to just do the same thing. Roll the ends, each of the ends, and then pass it over to the top of your hair. So the other excess, just tuck it into so this is what we have. You can take your scarf a little bit for your hair, take it back a little bit for your hair to show. So this is what we have, the effect we have behind us.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I like to see ya. I never tell you for now.